how to fix Viber app contacts not showing. So if you want to fix Viber app contacts not showing, then what you need to do is go ahead and check if your Viber app is updated or not. To do that, you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store and then go with search, and under search, you need to search for Viber. Once you've searched, if you have any updates on your Viber, you need to just go and update it. After updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then now you need to search for Viber, tap and hold on to your Viber application, and then you'll find an option of App Info, tap on it. From the app info, you need to scroll down a bit, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or you need to just go back and then go with the permissions. And under permissions, if you've not allowed any of the permissions, you need to just go and allow the permissions. Go and select allow while using the application. Go with microphone and allow many notifications that it needs to access. And it will fix your Viber app contacts. But the main permission is the contacts. So tap on the contacts and then tap on allow. And now your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.